Good morning and welcome to our Bird Notes for this Sunday morning. As today is All Saints' Day, I thought we'd offer a poem about birds and a saint, namely St. Francis of Assisi, founder of the Franciscan Order and patron saint of Italy, the environment, and animals. It is in that last capacity that many stories and legends have grown up around St. Francis, especially his preaching to the birds. That story inspired this poem from Seamus Heaney. When Francis preached love to the birds, they listened, fluttered, throttled up into the blue like a flock of words released for fun from his holy lips. Then wheeled back, word around his head, pirouetted on brothers' capes, danced on the wing for sheer joy, played and sang, like images took flight. Which was the best poem Francis made, his argument true, his tone light.